y'all, and welcome back to another video. So as y'all can already tell by the title, today we're gonna be doing a Fenty Hair review. If you're living under a rock, I feel like everybody at this point should know that Rihanna launched the hair care line. If you didn't know, well now you know. So she sent me, or not she, let me not say Rihanna sent me, but Fenty sent me the entire collection. When I tell y'all, this is literally the biggest PR box, probably the biggest PR box I've ever received. This was 10 pounds. This box right here is 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Let's get into the packaging. Packaging is A1. The box itself, the graphics, 10 out of 10. And then moving in a new, oh shit. Moving in a new era of repair. Some more nice packaging. This magazine, the graphics are beautiful. Actually, I'll insert some B-roll so you guys get better visuals of everything. But y'all probably don't even really care about all that. Y'all want to know how these products work. So do I. So let me just tell y'all the products that are in the box, okay? What products I'll be using today. Shampoo. So they're Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. It's a plush, luxe, sulfate-free lather and major repair for the most extra wash day vibe. So the entire line is supposed to be repairing while also being moisturizing. And then there's a regular conditioner as well as a deep conditioner for a smoother, healthier, shinier looking hair in just one wash. Okay. So I've been trying my best to avoid the reviews. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been trying my best because it's just like, by the time I'd be ready to film, I would have had all these opinions already in my brain, and I wanted to kind of sort of give it a clean slate, but it was pretty inevitable. But from what I've seen so far, they prefer the deep conditioner over the regular conditioner, and this is from other like Type 4 naturals that I've seen, so I have a feeling that I might, man, I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use both just to give y'all my opinion. And then they have the comeback kit, instantly strengthens, innovative leave-in or rinse out formula. Okay, so you can use it as a regular conditioner, or you can use it as a leave-in. And then we have the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protecting Styler. I'm not going to be heat styling my hair today, so I'm not going to be talking about that product. As far as the stylers, they have the Home Curl Curl Defining Cream, silicone-free, crunch-free gel cream that defines and enhances curls all in one step. So again, like, it's not given that it's going to be a stronghold gel. So, you know, I'm going to go ahead and manage my expectations for that. And just because it doesn't work for a wash and go doesn't necessarily mean it won't work for a twist out or for other hairstyles. Then they have the jelly type stronghold gel for the most slick and smooth ponies, slick backs, updos, and top knots. So honestly, I am probably the most excited about that styler. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because I love a good slick back. This is actually, believe it or not, this is actually an old slick back. It's not giving slick no more, but I've literally had my hair, I slicked it from like last week's Saturday, and it's now Friday. So yeah, I've already found my go-to stronghold gel for slick backs, but I do want to see how this compares. And she also launched an edge control. I'm excited to put those two together. I'm not going to use them today. I'm going to do a follow-up video probably in a few days, because to be honest with you, I don't anticipate that my hair is going to last very long with the cream gel, and so I'll probably end up slicking it some way somehow. So we'll probably go ahead and check out the gel and edge control then, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I am working on, like I told y'all, an old slick back. It was actually a low slick back, but today I took it out and put it in a high because it was, oh my gosh, it was really bad. I mean, my hair is musty, crusty, dusty, like literally all of the above, crying for a good wash, just dry. So we're gonna see. This is gonna be a very fair, well, I don't even know if fair is the right word, but like my hair is very dry, very dirty. They can make it through this. I feel like they can make it through anything. So
would y'all believe me if I said, as I was setting up the camera to film in the shower, that my tripod dropped and broke my camera? So yeah, I didn't actually end up washing my hair until the next day or the day after that. Anyways, y'all see the state of my hair. Before I go in with any products, I'm making sure that my hair is fully drenched in water. I like to sit under the shower head for at least 5 minutes or so to make sure the water is evenly distributed throughout the length of my hair. First product I'm going in with is the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. First impressions, this has a really nice, unique fragrance, and it also has an instant lather, which I love. The faster a shampoo can lather, the faster I can get through the shampooing process, and the faster I can get up out the shower. So I love that. Y'all know I have a lot of hair on my head. And you know, with some shampoos, I have to keep applying water. I have to really work it in to get that lather. But like I said, for this, it was instant. But I will say the slip just wasn't there. And while obviously slip is not mandatory in the shampoo, that's what we have conditioners for. I feel like I've been spoiled at this point, and I know too many amazing shampoos that have a great lather that also have slip. Y'all know my hair was in a really matted state, so I wasn't able to work it through my hair as smoothly as I would have liked without feeling like I was like ripping my hair apart, if that makes sense. It definitely left my hair squeaky clean though. It didn't strip my hair, so it wasn't like drying or anything like that. Just because I've used it a few times since filming this video. This first wash day, my hair didn't feel moisturized, but after using it a few other times, I've noticed that it left my hair with a nice shine. So overall, I'd say it's a nice non-drying shampoo. You guys can hear the squeakiness here. I'd say it's ideal for a post-protective style wash day. In my case, at least, you know, whenever I take out my protective styles, I like to brush my hair, make sure it's detangled before going in the shower. And because like I said, it doesn't really have slip, it would work in that case. Or for any situation where I'm dealing with product buildup or my scalp is really dirty, but my hair is not super matted and tangled. But like I said, I've used it a few times since filming this video, and I definitely plan to finish the bottle. Then next up, we have the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. It says, stop struggling. This one melts into hair, repairing split ends and conditioning with ease. I like to finger detangle before going in with the brush, just to get out any excess hair or just give me a head start in the detangling process. I feel like I avoid breakage doing it this way. I want to add that this section of my hair is probably the easiest to detangle, just the most manageable part of my hair in general, and also the least dense part of my hair. And I was struggling, y'all. I was struggling to get the brush through my strands. I was struggling to finger detangle, evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. And I kept adding product thinking maybe that's what it is. I kept adding water, but I just felt like the product was kind of just sitting on my hair, not penetrating my strands. Normally with the conditioner, my hair starts to look juicy and hydrated and moisturized, but I can't say it looked like any of those things. It's just frizzy with lots of product just sitting on it, basically, lots of excess product. And as y'all can imagine, as I got to the more dense sections of my hair, the more dense and prone to matting sections and the more matted sections of my hair, it was just, yeah, honestly, in hindsight, I'm thinking about it, I really just should have jumped in with the deep conditioner at this point, but I wanted to see it through for y'all to see if maybe, you know, there would be a change, but it only became more challenging. Normally I'm able to detangle this section of my hair by itself, but as y'all saw, I had to split it up into 2 sections. You know, it was just too much. It was just too much for the conditioner to handle. Needless to say, I didn't enjoy this product, and I don't see myself revisiting this, even if my hair isn't super dry or super matted. As for the deep conditioner now, I've also used this a few times, and so the slip is definitely better than the regular conditioner for sure, but it's still nothing groundbreaking. So like if you're somebody who just wants to skip your shampoo to your deep conditioner, hoping to get the slip and the moisture from this, I can't say that I'd recommend it for that. In this video, I used it after detangling my hair with the rinse out conditioner, and it felt like the slip was decent, but I used it on another occasion where I jumped from my shampoo straight to the deep conditioner, and it was just taking me longer than I would have liked. And I can acknowledge that not every single deep conditioner is gonna give me the slip I need to detangle my hair, and that's just that. These days, I like to use either or. Either I'm using a rinse out conditioner or I'm using a deep conditioner. I don't be having the time to do both. I'm just trying to get in and out the shower. But on the plus side, I will say that this penetrated my strands. I feel like it melted in my strands a lot easier than the deep conditioner. I mean, sorry, to the conditioner, because I was pretty much just sitting on my hair. You guys can see the product's actually penetrating my strands, and my hair is starting to look moisturized. So I ended up leaving this in my hair for at least, I think, like an hour and a half. I needed a little break, y'all. So my hair quite literally ate this stuff up. It almost looks like I don't even have deep conditioner on my hair. In my opinion, it's pretty lightweight, but after rinsing my hair out, my hair felt really soft and moisturized. But I think I would have preferred if it was a little more dense and just like had more body to it. Then I followed up with the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment, which is a leave-in conditioner, but it could also have been used as a rinse-out conditioner. Out of all the conditioners from this line, I would definitely say that the Instant Comeback Kid has the most slip. However, I still can't say that my hair was getting the hydration that I would have expected. I still feel like it was kind of sort of just sitting on my strands. It just wasn't doing much for me. But and this is also very, very lightweight. Now that I'm looking at the pamphlet, It doesn't say anything about this being hydrating or moisturizing. It's supposed to just improve damage. And you know, my hair's not damaged, so I can't really speak to that too much. But moving on to the styling portion, now I'm kind of regretting not watching more of the reviews, because Lexi was just telling me that people have been using the jelly type stronghold gel for their wash and goes rather than the curl defining cream. I was under the assumption that the slick back gel was like specifically just for that. Like it would be so thick and just like not an edge control, but like, yeah, I just, at this point when I filmed this video, I hadn't opened the gel to like test out the texture. If I had, then I would have used this for I would have used it for this wash and go. But regardless, I had managed my expectations. I'm like, okay, we're gonna do a cream wash and go. The goal here was like a super voluminous, almost like a fro adjacent kind of sort of look. Y'all should know I'm not scared of volume. I love big hair. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm not expecting hella definition. And while I haven't done a cream wash and go in like years, there are some cream stylers that have been tried and true for me that give me definition. They may not give me hold. I'll probably pair it with a gel, but I get some type of definition. But this cream, for this to be a curl defining cream, I was a little disappointed, y'all, because I have leave-in conditioners in my stash that give me more definition than I got from this cream. But anyways, I was debating between if I wanted to do a middle part or no part, since I'm going for like a fro kind of look. And I decided to just go with the middle part. The no part hair would have been in my face and it just would have been annoying. This was my finish. This was the finished look. I cared for this wash and go the same way I would any other wash and go. I sat under the dryer for quite a bit, and now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I should have like diffused it. Anyways, y'all, so this is my finished results on day 2 hair. So yeah, I guess the whole like Afro vision thing, that needs some work. I'm not gonna put the blame on Riri here. I think it's just the shape of my hair is not quite giving. I think maybe if I had a curly cut, the shape would have been cuter. The front part of my hair is a looser texture than the back, and it's very apparent with this look. I guess I was wilding to think that I was gonna get like a cute look from a cream. I don't know. But y'all let me know what y'all think of my entire wash day. Have you guys tried Fenty Hair products? Are you interested in trying any of them? What were your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. And you know, not too much I guess on the styling results, because I feel like I shouldn't have been experimenting with a new hairstyle using new products, because I just feel like it's not really fair to judge the efficacy of the products when I don't even know how if the style would have worked on my hair and other products. Y'all get my point. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments. I will be circling back with, so I did a slick back using the stronghold gel and the edge control. So I'm gonna circle back with that video soon. I feel like that will be a better video to judge like the efficacy of the styling products. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.